Oh, things are starting to get heated in the courtroom. The tension is palpable, and Miss Mabel's response will surely reveal more than we're expecting.
A year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews of the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
2024, officer was dispatched to a physical disturbance at 1726 Switzer Avenue. He made contact with the complainant, who stated that his vehicle had been broken into. Witness, who is the complainant's brother, advised that a Hispanic male broke into the car and that he began fighting the defendant. Complainant and witness pinned him down until police arrived. Officers observed the steering column to be broken and the handle of the door to have been broken off. The approximate damage to the car was $900. He has no criminal history, Judge.
Mr. Cooper, how old are you, sir?
17.
Who do you live with now? Are you here with any of your parents now? Go get them for me, please. Do they speak English or Spanish? Are you mom? Come up, please. Thank you so much for coming. Are you familiar with what happened? Were you able to hear? Would you prefer me? You speaking English well enough? Do you want a translator or no?
No, sir. I speak English.
Okay. He's charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. He's facing a year in jail. And did you hear what happened or no? Okay. Would you mind repeating it for me, please?
On June 5th, 2024, officer was dispatched to a physical disturbance at 1726 Switzer Avenue. They made contact with the complainant, who stated that his vehicle had been broken into. The witness, who is the complainant's brother, advised that a Hispanic male broke into the car and that he began fighting the defendant. The complainant and witness were able to pin him down until police arrived. Officers observed the steering column to be broken and the handle of the door to have been broken off. The approximate damage to the car was $900.
A simple yes or no.
Where everybody else is making good money,
the court can decide everything with this response.
At a minimum,
let's see if Miss Mabel gives us the answer we're waiting for.
You will
is it
either
game over for her case,
back
or
into
is there
high
a twist
school.
ahead?
Okay. You're able to hear.
Yeah, yes, sir.
What do you do in life, Mr. Koopa?
My job right now.
Did you graduate high school? Wrong move. You will do that now. Your first mission in life is to, at the very minimum, get a high school diploma, because if you don't do that, you will end up nowhere and in the gutter making pennies on the dollar. Where everybody else is making good money, you will make nothing without, at a minimum, a high school diploma. So you will either get back into high school or you will get your GED. And if you do none of those two things, life is not going to go for you well here with me. Do you catch my drift? Tell me, has he been behaving with you? What time of day or night was this now?
This was going to be 22:56 hours, so just shy of, just before midnight, Judge.
I'm now giving you a curfew as well, and I'm going to put an ankle monitor on you so I know where you are at all times. You will now have a curfew of 9 p.m. If you do not abide by this curfew, I will revoke your bond. I will put you in jail, and I'm telling you now, it's going to be very, very high. If I go drug test you right now, what's going to show up? Sorry? Like what? What else? What else? You know what else is going to show up.
That's all I can think of.
What else?
That's all I can think of.
I'm sending you for a drug test. Look at mom. Look. You know that 3 weeks ago, we had someone here with this same type of case shot by a shotgun because they broke into the wrong person's car. You live in Houston, dude. You don't live in Montana, Wyoming. In Houston, People like their guns and they like their cars. And when you mess with the wrong person, they're going to shoot you dead. And I'm telling you, because it happened here 3 weeks ago. Mom, I will give you my card. If he ever gives you any problem, just let me know and I will straighten him out for you. I want him to follow your rules. I'm telling you, any problem he gives you, whatever, if he gives you bad attitude, let me know. I will straighten him out for you. As it stands now, his first mode of business now is to get your.
A classic back and forth, denials and accusations. The courtroom drama just kicked up another notch. Who's telling the truth here? It's all about credibility, and the judge is watching closely.
Diploma and stay out of trouble. I'm going to send you for a drug test now because I want to know everything that's in your system. And if I find some hardcore stuff, I'm going to light you up. Do you understand? You must come back right after the drug test. I'm going to give you a lawyer. And I'm going to tell you this now, Mr. Cooper. If you pick up any more cases, you violate any of these conditions, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. And let me tell you, 17-year-olds that go into jail here in Harris County, they're going to treat you like a rag doll. Do you understand? Okay. So if we can reach out to the MAC, Mr. Cooper, I'm going to have you first sign a reset. After that, I'm going to get you with Tracy. We're going to send you for a drug test. You must come right back here as soon as you're done. Do you understand? Okay.
GPS today?
Yeah. And then, Mom, here's my card. If you ever have any, if you have any issues, please call me and we will try to get it straightened out. Okay? Okay, please don't leave because he's got to come back.
Page 8, Dockery, come on up.
Here it comes, the judge's final ruling. Who'll get to keep what's rightfully theirs? If only the judgment had been more specific, right? Watch closely. This decision could change everything.
He tested positive for cocaine, benzodiazepine, and marijuana.
Judge, was it benzodiazepine or benzodiazepine?
It's benzos. So I'm assuming it's always going to be a benzodiazepine from what I've experienced.
Well, so benzoglycanine is actually a metabolite of cocaine.
It stops today. You will now be required to come to court every Monday and Thursday to take a drug test. If you ever test positive for anything else, I will hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail, probate it for 2 years, and put you into a lockdown rehab facility. Do you understand? That's what you have. The treatment facility is a minimum of 9 months, depending on how well you respond to treatment. You understand? You ever do anything else? That's it. Mom, I'm sorry, but I have to bring him here a lot to test him because cocaine only stays in your system 3 to 4 days and then it's out. I want to make sure that he's not using. It's the only way that I can do it. I have given you a lawyer today. You have my card. If you need anything, please tell me, okay? You will get a curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. You are not to have contact with any of the complaining witnesses in this case and no weapons. If you pick up a new case, from this day forth, test positive for anything. If you smoke marijuana after today, and you test positive for marijuana after 30 days, I will know that you continue to use. Do you understand? You will get a GPS monitor today so I know where you are at all times. You must charge it on a daily basis. If the battery goes dead, so do you. Do you have a problem, Mr. Cooper? Are you sure? Can you stop? Who else is in your life besides mom?
Dad,
Does he live at the house as well? Good. How many other brothers and sisters you have?
one brother, two sisters.
Older or younger?
My sister is older, and then the other ones are younger.
Today's Monday, right? So we'll set him off to Thursday. You must be here Thursday to take another drug test. No more dope. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have a cell phone?
It's that way.
Okay. Mom, do you have a cell phone number?
Yes.
What is your cell phone, please?
281.
Nathan, are you getting this?
Write it down so I can hand it to him, so it won't be out loud.
Nathan. Okay. What is your phone number? I'm going to write it down.
281.
846.
All right, thank you. Sorry, my internet cut out.
That's okay. This is mom's phone number. This isn't his phone number. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Nathan, who we have appointed to represent you. If Nathan tells me he cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. You will not get any more free bonds. You understand?
Sure.
This is the one chance you have to make it right. You must also get back into school to get your GED. You can either do it this way or behind bars. Okay. Mom, do you have any questions? Is there anything else you think we should do? Are there any bad people that you think he hangs out with that we should tell him not to?
Okay.
Okay. For now, I will have you sign a reset. You will then get with Tracy for your bond conditions. When you leave here, your lawyer Nathan is getting in contact with you. You must speak to him about this case. And then
Hold up. A surprise drug test for Mr. Copa. Is he really prepared for what's about to come? What's going to show up in those results? The stakes are higher than ever now. Let's see if his story checks out.